I'd say the biggest misconception people have about hair transplant surgery is still they think today it's gonna look unnatural and then people are gonna be able to tell, and it's just gonna be one of the things that they have to kind of always feel conscious of. And the truth is that if it's done correctly with modern FUE surgery, look, I get patients coming back to me all the time, I ask them, after the results are in, well, what do people say? And they're like, Dr. G, nobody even asks me. And I'm like, boom, home run. Because when it's done correctly and planned and executed properly, the hairline that we create and the new density literally looks as if it was always there in that right place. There's nothing to even think about. It's just one day you get up and you don't have to do anything. Your hair is just there where you need it and you're good to go. There is no more pluggy, there's no more nothing. You're looking like you should for yourself, and that's how every hairline is tailored to that patient. So this is something that people still think is true, and it's a myth that we really need to bust. With modern hair surgery, we are now transplanting follicle by follicle, the natural groupings of hairs the way they exist in the head. The old days when hairs were taken as big chunks and plugs, that was when we didn't have the technology that we do now to drill into literally hair by hair. Now we have achieved that utmost natural look. There is no such thing as a plug no more in hair surgery. It is just the way it was supposed to be. So when it's done correctly, absolutely not pluggy. It looks this exact way it should. Even a barber or hairstylist cannot tell when we've done our hair transplant correctly. That's what we want for you.